The climate classroom takes traditional games and utilizes them for scientific exploration to take students beneath the waves, reinforce concepts that they're going to learn on their quest around the BIOS campus.
We've taken all of our data that is collected by our scientists and researchers here at BIOS. We distill that information and we put it in escape room-like challenges so that the students get to learn about that information in a really fun and powerful way.
This year's program focuses on the base of the food chain, so the microscopic world of plankton. The students on the quest use these clues to solve riddles, to move from station to station, to learn a little bit more about some of the research undertaken here at BIOS and the implications of this in the global conversation about climate change.
If you like to solve puzzles, you like to work hard and do many thinking processes, I would recommend doing it because you're learning at the same time, but it's just very fun.
If I could, I would like to work in this job because this is a really fun job.